Alright, so this is my week 3 update for Build Space Nights and Weekends, and this is what I got so far. So, I got the groups working, so people can now, well, they can join in groups with the group code and stuff, but what I got working was people can now actually create events. They can click here, create an event, and it'll pop up right there, so both people can see it. They can see the event details, say if they're going or not. If you're the owner of the group, you can delete it. So I got the settings working. They can see who's the admin, members, got the group code. The person who's the owner of the group can change the name of it. Also, you can see the owner of the group can delete the group and remove people, and then the person who's invited, who's just a regular member, can leave the group. And now what I got to do next is work on the map. All right, so the map. I got some ideas for it, but I would like some input, some feedback on this. I'm going to be using MapKit to build out the UI and all with Swift UI. Depending on maybe what limitations maybe I'll use some UI kit or something. But I'm also thinking about using Google Places SDK. So the Maps API, particularly Google's Places, gives a lot of comprehensive data. Things like details about the place, nicknames, or not nicknames, but addresses, contact details, pictures. So I'm thinking of just like pulling all that in there. And then some of y'all recommended maybe people adding their preferences to the thing. So maybe I can play around with Firebase and Gemini to do that. And it's actually really easy to plug and play and get started with this. So maybe you can like add your preferences, and Gemini can recommend new food places when you enter a new city and things like that. So that's where I'm going with it. That's what I think. But that's what's next. And this is the last screen to work on, and then I'm gonna try to launch it and polish it up. So let me know what you think.